20 inches. Guys want to get a good drill? A cobalt drill. 24 volt max, 4 hours. And gets it. Alright, we're gonna set these up, guys. We're going for some pike today. Set up a little bit differently. Hopefully we will not get broke off. I'll show you the setup when we get one later. Oh, we found the perch. Not the size we're looking for, but we got him.
Nice.
Feels like a crappie. Ooh, it's fighting real good.
Ooh.
Oh
Crappie?
my god, dude. No, that's the biggest perch. Holy oh my.
Talk about a jumbo.
Boy, oh boy, that is the biggest perch I've ever caught. Dude. He won't even open his mouth.
Are we keeping him?
Oh
We have to
my god.
Open up, buddy.
Bro, open your mouth. Open. Wow, dude. Oh my god, guys. That's the biggest perch I've ever caught. Oh my. Do you see that thing, dude? It's huge. Oh my god.
Best not let it slip, so just keep it.
Oh. Wow. Dude. I'm gonna measure this thing real quick. Holy crap. I'm like freaking out, guys. This is crazy. Stop over, baby. That's an 11-inch perch out of here, dude.
You keeping it?
No, I'm gonna let it go. I don't want to, this is way too big to keep, dude. You want to keep these kind of fish growing in here. These are the ones that they'll reproduce the biggest perch. Oh my god. that is a jumbo. All right, baby girl. She's full of eggs. See ya. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Oh, God. Oh, God. That's the best perch, like, I've ever caught.
And it put up a serious fight.
All right, guys. All right, buddy.
Okay.
Yep, hand it to me and I'll hold it for you. Just wait till you gotta wait.
Yep.
Okay. If it wants to pull back, let it pull back. Okay. Let it pull back. Let it pull back. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Just let it pull.
Dad, it's about to.
It's not. It's got plenty.
Oh.
Just let her pull until she stops and you can pull her back.
Oh no. No. It dropped it.
It spit it. No way. We really didn't set the hook good enough. Oh no. Oh yeah, she's ripping. That thing was flying. Did you see that?
Yeah. Get it. Get it?
Oh yeah. I need line.
Is it recording?
Yeah, I need line. Give me line.
Is that enough?
Yeah, just stand behind me over here, or next to me here. You'll have to feed it to me as I need it. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I need line. I need line. Oh boy. More. Stop doing that. Just bring it over here. Just let it take it on its own, bud. Hold it right there for me, please.
God, it still has it.
Yeah, it's definitely got it, and it's about to spool us.
God.
All right, as I'm bringing it up, reel it in. Hold on, it's not wanting to move.
Oh God.
It's okay. She's a good one. She's a good one.
She's had it for a while.
She just switched directions. She's going out deep.
Wonder if I'm reeling?
Not yet. When that line hits the ground, just reel up a little bit. Oh. Yeah, I gotta get some of this line back. All right, stand behind me and start bringing it in with me. Wow.
God, I saw this. It was cool if I didn't see this.
Oh yeah. She was going.
Still going. She's still on?
Oh yeah. Live bait versus dead bait. Dead bait's winning so far.
I don't think we've had any on the live bait yet.
She's gonna want to run soon, I can tell. The line is stuck on the ice right there. Oh boy, this is a good one. I can feel it.
Head shape?
Oh yeah.
There's other ones though, right?
No, but I'm really hoping it has our hooks in its mouth. Oh, good. It just came off the ice. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Oh, God.
Just really want to take my time with this because they are crafty.
Not about to go up. I mean, that'd be cool, but I'm gonna let it go for a sec.
That's fine.
Got your gloves on? Yep.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Here?
Oh yes. What you want? No part of that hole. No part of that hole. Keep your fingers off of that.
I'm trying to fix it.
Bro. We cannot make a mistake here. Big head shakes, big. Switching directions again. Get behind me, stay behind me. She just keeps switching. She keeps switching. This is a smart fish right here, bud.
Reeling.
Keep your fingers away from it. It will take your finger off, dude. Now you see why I fight them.
Is the leader line close?
There is no leader line.
You just attach the hook to that?
Yeah. Just relax. It's gonna want to move back down.
Oh yeah! First pike of the season.
All right, it swallowed it, so we got to cut that line.
Keeping it?
You want to keep the pike?
Well, yeah.
Why would you want to do that?
Because it's the first pike of the season.
No, let's let that one go.
Oh,
Well, it did get the hooks all the way in.
yeah.
You're gonna eat it, huh?
I'll eat it. Yeah, sure. Why not?
All right, let's get a measurement on it. Let's get the measurement. That's a fat boy. Look at that gut. I don't see any other hooks. I don't see any of our hooks in there, so.
$30 inches.
30. All right. Not bad, bud.
It's almost. That's like 2.5 feet.
I guess that'll be a good eater. All right, grab that. Let's get back. There she is. Let's go get it.